Hello everybody, my name is Connor, and today I am reacting to Infinity Train Season 2, Episode 5 and 6 in this video. It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry. I have life. Life is a lot. I'm doing a lot right now in my life, and I'm trying to get this back to normal. I'm trying to get back on a regular schedule, but it's so hard. All I got right now is Dragon Prince She-Ra and, Infinity Train. And, what's another show I'm reacting to? I don't even know. It's been chaotic, and I do apologize. I'm trying to get back to normal. It's been a while since I've seen Infinity Train, but guess what? It's an amazing show, so I'm glad to get into it. My hair is chaotic. I just want to get a new ID picture, and it was horrible. I hate it. But yeah. Infinity Train. What has been happening on Infinity Train? Oh yeah, I forgot. They had the Toad. And Marcia. Oh wait, yeah, they had that like cloud thing that was like on the map. They had the map room, and they had the Toad room that like they had to kick the Toad to get out. And the deer ended up kicking the Toad, and then like we took Toad out, and then Toad ran away because we saved the Toad, basically. But yeah, it's been good. We're trying to get Jesse's numbers down, so let's see how that goes. And yeah, if you like my reaction, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below. Check my Patreon for full uncut early release reactions, and go to the coldest water bottle. Use Connor10 for 10% off your amazing products. It's actually really good. I use it every day at school. And yeah, let's get into it. Also check out my Instagram and Twitter down below too for life and all that junk. And let's get started. Ooh. Wait, why is the deer so tiny?
Once a prime dies, the flex make you choose if you want to have your memories erased and reflect a new one, or keep your memories but become a fleck to protect and enforce the barrier.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Thanks, much appreciated.
That's so weird. Listen. They're so shocked.
Wow, thank you. I think you guys are pretty good too.
Whoa, you can talk?
Wow.
Well, yeah, you bet. Another one of my amazing superpowers, I guess. Or magic or science, you know, one of those things. Yeah, checks out.
No, it doesn't. Hey, what's in your mouth?
Hello, hi. Nice
Oh my gosh.
support your dear pal.
This is so weird. That's disturbing.
See, that's polite. I'm polite.
Please never turn your hoof into
That is absolutely disturbing.
LAPD. Anyone else feel a song coming on? Travel friends, they once were 3, but now they're 4. The travel friends are so much.
Yay!
Bring it home, Jesse.
Yeah. Drag queen vibes.
Exit runway? Yes, darling. The only way out of here is to dress to impress with finesse. Oh, and do this.
Oh, I can't do that.
Seems easy enough.
Ta-ta. We can't keep those judges waiting.
Jesse. Dude. 8. That was Alan Dracula. No, Alan Dracula doesn't like this.
Who's hungry for adventure? Me! I'm also hungry for you.
It's him, yeah.
So maybe we both want the same thing.
Yeah, make him sneeze. Thank you.
Thanks to me
Ooh.
too, though, right? Now, whose mouth am I hopping in next?
No one's.
Guys, come on! I spent 2 years stuck in a succulent. Let me hop in one of your mouths.
Sorry, but no, that is not happening. That was a really good episode though, but poor Alan Dracula over here he's trying to be good and then all of a sudden this parasite jumps in his mouth, starts taking over his body, you know, makes him do things and activates his powers and makes him go crazy. Poor thing. But this was a good episode. I don't have too much to say about it. Nothing like big happened. It was mainly just like I wouldn't say filler, but I would say filler. We got Alan Dracula character redemption, character development. And Jesse's number went down to, oh my gosh, my hair is sticking up. Jesse's number went down all the way to 11, so he has just 11 more numbers to go. And that was the midway episode, right? That was episode 5 out of 10, so yeah. And now we're going to episode 6. Okay. Oop, a giant cat. How long has he been here? Yeah. I want a cotton candy machine. Can somebody buy me a cotton candy machine? Yeah.
Hey, when you go into a house of mirrors, there's a bunch of reflections. Does that mean you have a bunch of reflections stuck in the mirror?
No.
No. All the reflections are me.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not like that. I operate this business myself. Now people pay to
Ooh.
kick me. Please pay to kick me.
Oh, congratulations. Oh no, I'm not too
Yeah, her reflection.
not too C'est merveilleux.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen one of your kind in the prime world. How did you know that I...
Hmm.
Now, who is this photographer you have with you?
Hey, Jesse.
Meet the cat. I got to know her when I was still a
Yep.
teenage Tulip. We have 2 new
Mm-hmm.
for the door.
Hmm.
Wanna buy a donut?
No. No donut holder.
MT. Guess not. I'm on a bit strong there. MT, slow down. Oh, where are you going? I don't know. I'm just going. Yes, I should.
So who cares if they give passengers more tickets? There's still 2 of us. And we
Yeah, you have combined score.
Dracula to play, then there'd be...
Where's Alan Dracula?
I'm gonna smash that crane game to the ground.
Oh, Alan Dracula.
Where are they?
Where is he? Where is he?
I don't know. Is there some green cotton candy around?
Yes. Where is he? Come on, run! Run!
Please do be quiet.
Ooh.
Madam, thank you for patronizing the Lucky Cat. Might not want to thank me, Jim.
Huh? Ooh! The heck?
You little apex brats. I didn't think you'd give me
Who are you?
You knew who I was. You horrid little...
Oh, you seem cool. Bunch of kids. Who are all these people?
So you won the door just to let in a bunch of rabid kids?
What does that mean?
1, take this corn dog. 2, bring
What was
the
that? I don't know. That's so many numbers. Whoa, she has a lot of numbers, so she's probably not getting off the train anytime soon, poor thing. But ooh, what did I just hit? Whatever I hit, it made my thing go brighter. Oh, is this not focused? Yeah, this is interesting. If I say so myself, that's pretty interesting. I think she has some kind of paint on her face. I couldn't tell which part. I am colorblind, so it's hard to tell. You got to see the cat again and a bunch of other ones from season 1. But yeah, we're going to their base, so that's gonna be interesting. We only have like 4 episodes left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, like 4 episodes left, so I want to see how that's gonna play out. Hope it does well, and I hope they get to go home eventually, Jessie at least. And I would say the other girl, but her numbers are really high, so I guess we just gotta see how that goes. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Check out my Patreon for full uncut early release reactions. Coldest water bottle down below. Use code Connor10 for 10% off. CONNOR10. And my Instagram and Twitter is down below, and my Ko-fi and other ways to support the channel in my descriptions. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.